Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to track transaction on PayPal. PayPal is a secure online payment service that allows users to send, receive and manage money globally. And one of the most useful features of PayPal is the ability to track all your transactions. So you can check your payment status, view history or confirm receipts. Tracking transaction helps you stay organized and ensures your payments are completed successfully. So first open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down paypal.com and enter it. And once you reach into this dashboard of your PayPal, go to this activity just beside the wallet here, and over here you'll see your account dashboard with several menu options of your summary. And over here this section shows a complete record of all of your PayPal transaction, including your payments, send, receive, pending and refunded as well. You can also filter over here by your date, transaction type and status, and you can simply apply your filters on the bottom left, on the bottom right, and you can also search by your name or your email as well. And some transaction may be pending due to your e-check processing recipient account not verified. PayPal review for security, and pending payments will display in the activity section, and PayPal usually updates the status within a few hours to few days. And tracking a transaction of PayPal on PC is easy. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.